What's up guys, welcome back to my video. It's Rob Tech Help here. Today I've got a unboxing video for you guys. I've got the Enacfire F1 True Wireless earbuds. Now to be honest with you, I'm pretty excited to unbox these headphones, earbuds. Actually, I found them on Amazon and they've got pretty good reviews, and to be honest with you guys, they have quite a lot of good ratings, these headphones. I think they're actually 5-star on Amazon, you know, which is pretty impressive. I believe I got them for about 32-ish pounds or something like that. I'll check again. I'll put the price in the link and the link as well below. But without further ado, let's just get into it. The Enacfire F1. I'm honestly pretty excited to review these headphones. What does it say? It gives a what, 6 hours, up to 6 hours talk time. Okay, you got up to 8 hours music time, so you can listen to these for up to 8 hours. Pretty good as well, which is pretty standard for sort of earbuds, like high quality earbuds. I have, because I believe even my Jabras, I think, are also 8 hours as well, maybe more, but I think that 8 hours is pretty standard. And up to 208 hours cycle playtime, which obviously means that, you know, if you have 8 hours standard, that means 200 hours extra, which means if you charge this, I think that means this can be charged maybe 25 times, because 25 times 8, 200 plus the 8, 208 hours. Brilliant. And up to 33 feet wireless range, so not the greatest amount of range, because some like the Jabras and stuff like that, they can go up to 50 feet range and stuff like that. So 33, not the greatest, but you know, nevertheless. Let's go ahead and unbox this Enacfire F1. Okay, so unfortunately guys, don't have a knife here, so I'm gonna have to be very creative with how I do this. So let's go. Just use a pen. First of all, it comes in this nice little box right here. Really cool box, I have to say. Looks really good, looks really compact, nice. It's pretty nice, I have to say. The waterproof, 2600. Whoa, 2600 milliamps per hours. Oh, this is some serious stuff, and comfort as well. So, you know, pretty hype set of earbuds here. You know, what does it say on the back? Waterproof, stable signal, designed to live in your ears. Okay, that means, you know, it should feel pretty good in the ears. We'll see about that. And it goes on and on. You know, 2600 milliamp hours. That's some serious business right here. All right, guys, let's just check it out and see. How do we open this? Oh, there we. Ooh, yeah. This looks good. I like this. This is something different. This is something different. It's pretty cool, I have to say. Okay, so you got the 2 earbuds there, and well, this is when it gets a bit weird. Okay, that's how you take it out. Oh, nice. So nothing else in the case. It looks like you just got. I like this case though. It's really cool. Nice case, but we're not here for that. And what comes in the box? I guess we get. Oh, okay, actually, no, it's okay. Okay, we got this sort of handbook. It's pretty big as well. Pretty huge handbook to use as well. Pretty cool in different languages and all that, the usual stuff. What is this? You get a guarantee card. Okay, cool. Certificate QC pass. Not quite sure what that is. Okay. And you got the little replacement bud type thing for the ears to fit in. We'll take that out as well. See what that looks like. There we go, guys. So that's 2 of these. So obviously the ones in the box will already have some already. So it feels really thin. They feel really thin. You've got two big ones here, and then you got this sort of medium-sized ones as well. Interesting. You can put those back inside. Right, so what do we have here? We can turn that. Can we turn this around now? Okay, you've got a USB. Looks like a micro USB, which, you know, is a little bit disappointing because at this point they should be using micro USB Type C instead of micro USB. But it is what it is, to be honest with you. We just have to move on in that. Okay, so the main event. Let's look at the case first, because these headphones look really good. They look really nice, I have to say, so far. But let's see. Okay, it's a bit, pretty interesting. Look at that. That looks really good, I have to say. That looks, it does feel a bit heavy, but you know, it's actually pretty good as well. I mean, oh, I like this. It feels really leathery. I don't know what material this is, but it looks really strong as well. It feels really strong as well. That's what it looks inside. I have to say, this is pretty impressive. Oh, I can see the lights, the LED lights as well coming on. You can see the magnetic little connection things on there as well. It feels really lovely and nice. I have to say, it feels really good. The skin, everything. And oh, what's this? It's got a little slot thing in here. Oh, so you've got the micro USB thing right here that you sort of put your thing in there to charge it, I guess, obviously. But in here, remarkably, you've got a charging device. So basically this can also be used as a power bank, an emergency power bank. So obviously that's going to take the power out of the, you know, the charging case. So, you know, but as an emergency power bank, this is brilliant. I mean, this is absolutely, this is I've never seen something like this before. But an emergency power bank that you can have here, you put in your USB in there, whatever, your lightning cable or whatever, and charge your device with this. This is crazy. Do you know how much battery this would, power and capacity this would need to be able to do something like this? This is immense. I mean, I have to say this is really good. But look at the case now. Let's look at the actual babies. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be, ooh, you know what, I hadn't even taken out the other one, but already these look a lot like the jobbers. Oh my days, look at these. Where are my jobbers? Oh my god, if I had my jobbers here, these look very, very similar to the jobbers, how they look and how they feel as well. Look at that. Look at those. I mean, these, they look just like the jobbers. I mean, this is, the design is amazing and very light. It feels very light. It doesn't feel heavy at all. You know, it feels really light, I have to say. I'm not sure what material they use for this, but this is really, really good. I've got to say, I believe, if I'm not wrong, it's got a nano coating on it, and obviously this is IPX8, so sweat-proof resistance. This is going to be really good for rain in the gym if you're sweating a lot and all that kind of stuff. Look at that LED light on. Obviously it's ready, it's on, and everything else. Let's see how it looks in there. See that look at that, guys. Look at that fits perfectly. That definitely, ooh, yeah, that fits perfectly. And it's noise cancellation as well, so you can already feel it, because obviously you just put it inside, you can see it's blocking some of the ambient air as well. So that's really, really good. I love the way it feels in my ears as well. I definitely got to do a review on these where I'm sort of, I've used them and seen how they actually work. And because the gyms are opening soon as well, so I'm definitely going to be able to use them in the gym. But these look really, really good, I have to say. I don't know, I mean, I could try and connect it right now to see, you know, what it sounds like. If you bear with me, guys, I will be back in 1 second to see briefly what it sounds like, and then we'll go from there. I'll do a proper review maybe in about a week's time or so, just because obviously I need to see how they work in terms of the charging. You know, I want to use them extensively, but they feel very, very good, and they look really good, as you can see as well. So bear with me, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I sort of messed up my camera and my phone as well. But anyway, so basically these I've actually, I tried them on briefly just to see, and they sound okay so far. They've got a lot of bass. What I've noticed that they have a lot of bass right now, and you know, I'm yet to try them at full volume, because I always like to try these headphones at full volume to know how, if I can really enjoy the music. Because obviously you want to have loud bassy songs in your ear if you like that bass sort of thing. But of course, if you want to be, you know, if you don't want it too loud and you want it okay, then that's, you know, it's fine. But obviously I haven't put it up to the top end of the noise, so I need to try it out for a couple, maybe a few days, maybe a week, and see. You can see the LEDs are flashing, so they're fully charged basically, as you can tell from this. But I've definitely liked the way they feel in my ears again. But this is what, you know, it looks like. As soon as you put it in there, it says connected. Pretty cool. And once it's on, your Bluetooth, you literally, I think I've got it the wrong way around, sorry guys, I don't know what I'm thinking. But once you've got it, once you've taken them out, they literally your Bluetooth will pick them out pretty quickly, definitely, because I did that and found it, Enacfire F1 straight away. So, you know, it shouldn't be a problem basically. So I feel like I'm gonna enjoy these headphones when I do try them properly. So I'm gonna try them on from today to throughout the week and see how it goes, and gives you a review by next week. So anyway, look out for that review, stay tuned for that. Appreciate the support and people tuning in to watch this unboxing video. It's Rob Tech Health here. Enacfire F1. Comment, like, subscribe. You know how it goes, guys. I'm out.